Okay, guys, get ready to go live with me. It is Saturday morning. Everyone is asleep at the house. I am up, I'm showered, I'm ready. I'm so excited because I'm going live with you guys at 8:05. And I'm doing that because I have some amazing new colors and amazing new deals that I want to share with you, okay? So this right here, guys, this is the Josie Webb and Cranberry. I love it. I'm wearing it with my Giuseppe boots, oldies but goodies. I have on my Citizens jeans. I have on my Skims bodysuit. I have a Zara top on. And this Man-Eater Tarte lip gloss, obsessed with. Obsessed, obsessed. So guys, live at 8:05. Let's do it. Saturday morning, let's go live at 8:05.